Good day, everyone. We're going to cook this butterball turkey breast here. This turkey breast roast, boneless, that we got from Costco. Okay, I've got it unthawed, and I'm just going to cut it out of the packaging and put it in this cooking tray here. Well, this comes with gravy inside it, but we're going to make our own gravy, so we're actually not going to use this, but you can if you want to. Well, here's a look at it out of the package. We're going to go ahead and trim this off of there, so all we have is the meat. We're going to go ahead and do a dry rub on this. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a tablespoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of sea salt, and a teaspoon of sage, a teaspoon of thyme, and a teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic powder. Now I'm going to go ahead and pat it dry with some paper towels. Okay, after you pat it dry, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle it, smear some olive oil on there. Get dry rub all over it. Okay, then we're just covering it in plastic and letting it refrigerate for 24 hours. Okay, we just took it out of the fridge after about the 4-hour mark and putting some fresh thyme on there. Okay, we went ahead and wrapped it up in foil and put it in the oven here, and we're cooking it at 350 degrees for an hour and a half. There it is, out of the oven. I always like to make sure that it's 165 minimum before coming out of the oven.
Okay, we let it rest for an hour. Now we're slicing it.